Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what happens if you eat chia seeds every day for 2 weeks? Well, let me take you through this fascinating journey. First off, chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various micronutrients. Imagine starting your day with a spoonful of these little gems in your smoothie, yogurt, or even water. Alright, let's dive into the surprising benefits. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, about 10 grams per ounce. This means they can promote regular bowel movements and support a healthy digestive system. But remember, fiber requires water to work its magic, so stay hydrated to avoid bloating or gas. The fiber and omega-3s in chia seeds can help stabilize your blood sugar levels. This is a game changer for people with diabetes, as it can prevent those dreaded blood sugar spikes and improve insulin sensitivity. Chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid that helps lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. So, by adding chia seeds to your diet, you're giving your heart some much-needed TLC. If you're looking to manage your weight, chia seeds might just be your new best friend. Their high fiber and protein content can increase feelings of fullness, helping you to snack less and feel satisfied longer. But remember, a balanced diet and regular exercise are key to effective weight management. For those with certain health conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, chia seeds might interact with medications. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Allergic reactions. Some folks may be allergic to chia seeds, especially if they have other seed or nut allergies. So start with a small amount, like 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, and watch how your body responds. To wrap it up, drinking plenty of water when you consume chia seeds is essential. This helps prevent any digestive issues and ensures that you reap all the fantastic benefits they offer. So, there you go. Eating chia seeds daily for 2 weeks can potentially revolutionize your health. Give it a try, listen to your body, and experience the magic of these tiny seeds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and inspiring journeys. See you next time.